Hi everyone, let's do some review questions for exponent laws and just look at a few questions together. All right, first one, let's deal with, let's look at to simplify 1 over 16 to the power of negative half. All right, so to do that, first let's deal with the negative. We have to make it positive. So when that's the case, you have to flip. Basically, that goes on top and that comes down. That's the 1 over. It's a reciprocal of 1 over 16. So another writing it is 1 over 16. That's according to the exponent law, right? That becomes 1/2. That's the negative exponent. But that is actually 16 over 1. That's what that is. Okay? To the power of 1/2. That's what happens when you do this. And then what is that? Well, 1/2 is the square root of 16, as we have learned last unit, and the square root of 16 is 4. Okay, next one. Let's deal with negative 1 over 27 to the power of negative 2/3. And let me change that. Put that in here. 4. Here you go. All right. So we'll do the same thing again. This time we're going to bypass this step. So that becomes 27 over 1. The negative doesn't matter. This negative, no change. Okay, it doesn't change. And then to the power of 2/3. Okay, so that's what that would be. And then let's deal with what that means. So this 3 is the root. So here is the third root, and minus 27 is inside. Minus 27, we're going to change it to radical form, and then all of that to the power of, and that's the 2, and that would be the 2. So cube root of negative 27, that's negative 3. Negative 3, negative 3, and then to the power of 2, that is 9. Okay, simple as that. Okay, example C, negative 8 over 125, all of that to the power of 2/3. We really don't have to change the exponent to a positive exponent. It's already a positive exponent, but we can change that to the radical. So let's go through that. So that would be cube root of 8 over 125, all of that to the power of 2. Okay, so that's the first thing we got to deal with. All right, so just to make sure, that's the 3, that's the 3, and this 2, and this is the 2. Okay, we don't have to do that all the time, but just to make sure that you're following. All right, cube root, and this is important. Okay, so this is actually according to the law of radicals. If you remember it from last unit, we can rewrite them like that. Okay, so I broke it up, so that way I can know cube root of 8 is 2. Right? When you break it up, it becomes easier, and you can actually tackle each of these parts individually. Cube root of 125 is 5. Excellent. And that's to the power of 2. And now we can apply. That's 4 to the power of 25. Okay?